everybody, it's Brian from Everything X-carve. This is a beginner CNC channel that I've created. And the reason why I've created it is there's a lot of great content creators that I've gone and picked from here and there and looked at different videos that they've created or done reviews on for Inventables.
So I had to come back and do another edit to the video to make sure that I was messaging correctly. What I'm trying to do is look at some of the different content creators that have inspired me or things that I've learned and make sure that they're being done in order that I need for the X-carve to learn the processes of setup to leveling and then on to simple carving. And so that's what I meant about looking at different content creators. So back to the video. Apologize about the interruption.
To share an unbiased opinion of their machine. That being said, I am no way whatsoever affiliated with Inventables or X-carve. I just bought it and I have done maybe about 4 or 5 carves. So I wanted to take you on this journey with me to learn my X-carve and maybe help also show you how to better utilize your X-carve. So one difference with my channel is I might here and there steer you to another content creator. For me, I was learning before getting the X-carve about the X-carve, and one thing that I learned watching Steve Carmichael from the Carmichael Workshop is he already had an X-carve and Inventables sent him another one to try out their new product with all the upgrades. To me, that showed that Inventables is fully invested in their product, and as well they're trying to make it better for the end user, us, the people that don't know how to use these machines quite just yet. As well as their software by Inventables called Easel. That software is pretty much plug and play. You open it up via web-based software on your computer and you're off. For me, it took probably maybe 10-15 minutes to learn how to use the Easel software, and another couple days to actually get up the courage to push the button, turn it on, and head off to the races. For me, this has been a great experience to have it. So some of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through start to finish from Easel to the X-carve on how I got from A to B to the completed carve. You'll also see maybe some pre-work, me cutting, drilling. I've got a couple different tools, and if you guys like any of the tools that you see, they'll be down in the links below. Everything that I have listed, I own. It's been a great start for me, and I'm excited to have you all join me. If you've gotten this far in the video so far, thank you. So if you like what you've seen, please go ahead and hit a like. And if you want to watch further videos, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks everybody, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.
To watch the side-by-side comparison of the old X-carve and the new X-carve, go to Steve Carmichael's YouTube channel, which I've listed in the link below and attached a video here. Thanks for watching.